Hello everyone, I am Rupesh. Today I am breaking down one of the biggest hidden factor behind good or bad AI performance, data distribution and data representation. Most beginner ignore this, but if you want your model to work reliably in the real world, these two concepts matter more than the model itself. Let's start with data distribution. It simply means how your data set is spread across different categories or situations. For example, imagine you want to teach AI to recognize animals, but your pictures mostly show cats and dogs and very few birds or fish. The AI will learn mostly about cats and dogs and may make mistake with birds and fish because it did not see enough of them. AI learn from the data you give it. So if your data is not balanced, your AI will not work well for everything. Next is data representation. Data representation is the way your data is encoded for the model. Images become pixel, text become numeric vectors, audio becomes waveform. If the representation is poor, blurred image, incorrect labels, missing features, then your model will learn the wrong pattern, even if the algorithm itself is excellent. These two ideas are more important than most beginners realize. You can have clean data and still get poor result if the distribution is unbalanced or if the representation does not capture the important features. For example, if your training photos are mostly taken in bright daylight, your model may fail completely at nighttime image. Models only learn what the data show them. Here's a real example. Imagine building a AI to detect disease from medical image. If most of the images in your dataset are from adult and only a few from children, the model will fail on children even if the quality is perfect. The solution is simple. Fix the distribution by collecting more diverse samples and improve representation with better quality imaging and accurate labels. Here are 4 practical steps you should always follow. Check your data distribution with simple count and visualization. Balance your dataset using augmentation, resampling or collecting more samples. Improve representation by cleaning data, fix levels and using better feature extraction. Track the how change in the distribution and representation affect accuracy, fairness and robustness. If you understand data distribution and representation, you are already far ahead of most beginners. It's help you build AI that performs in real conditions, not just in notebook. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more clear and practical AI tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.